Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to my channel, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a website using Weebly. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first things first is I'm gonna open up my computer browser and head on to www.weebly.com. So once you are in the website, just simply click on login, or if you still don't have an account, just simply click on sign up right here. So in order for you to sign up, you only have to enter your details like your first name, your last name, your email address, and of course create a unique password of your choice, and of course enter the country or the region you are residing. So once you are done with that, just simply click on this box right here that says I agree to Weebly's terms and privacy policy, and next all you need to do is continue. So once you are done with that, you are now ready to go. So as you can see right here, I have now created my website right here. So in order for you to create your website, you need to select a theme first. So as you can see right here, you can actually select a theme, may it be light or dark. So as you can see right here, I'm chosen light theme. So next is I'm ready to build my website. So in order for you to build your website, all you need to do is to drag an individual element of your choice. For example, I'm going to drag this title, or click this title rather, and I'm going to drag it to the page where I want to put it. So for example, I'm going to drag it right here, and as you can see, it says click here to edit. So this will be the right here. So this will be the title. So I'm just going to select my title right about there. So that's it. So you have now your title. And next, if you want to add an image, again, all you need to do is to drag an individual element. So I'm just going to click this one and drag it right here, or whichever page you want to put it. So I'm just going to click on right about there. Next is simply just click on upload image right here. So all you need to do is to upload a photo from your computer, or go to the image URL on the website that you want. So next, you can also add some slideshows, some spacer. You can also add some buttons. You can also add some products, some text, some gallery, of course, and HD video. So in order for you to add some HD video, all you need to do is to upgrade a plan on Weebly. So just click on this if you want to, and just look for that if you want. So next, you can also add some dividers, some social icons, and categories. So in order for you to do that, all you need to do is to select an individual element again, and of course drag it wherever page that you want to actually put it. So right about there. So I guess that's it for this video, and I just covered the basics on how you can actually make a website using Weebly. So once you are done with making a website, or once you are satisfied on what you have actually done, just simply click on publish right here, and now just enter your domain. Or if you already own a domain, that won't be a problem because you can connect or transfer it right now. So that's about it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course, click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!